cars with that one.
Yeah. Don't worry, I know a great paint guy.
There goes just about everybody. Rockets away!
Yeah, just what I need.
Whoa! I can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm parking on the track. That's unbelievable. Got rid of a ton of cars with that one.
Don't worry, I know a great paint guy. Not bad, but I've seen better.
Rockets are in the air.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, just what I need.
Tracking rockets have been fired.
Receiving end of that. That's what I'm talking about.
So that's the one you want. That one right there. Oh, no! How many cars was that with one shot?
Sorry about that. Fuck, you call that
Boom! That was amazing!
sweet? Got something for you.
And there goes the rocket. Got a bunch of that one.
Now this is more like it.
What? Are you kidding me? Most of the field that was that one? This got just a little more interesting.
Woo-hoo! Say it with me. Ka-chow!
Five bombs on the track. Multiple takedowns. Are you kidding me?
Oh yeah, just what I needed.
Sorry. Somebody's making quick work of this thing.
Don't worry, I know a great paint guy.
So long, everybody. That car's worth a lot of points. Rockets away!
Now. Oh no, almost out of time. Wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that.
And there go the rockets. Time's up, and with that, another takedown event in the books.